Hi, I'm Kim DeLand, speech pathologist, and welcome to Beginner Belly Breathing. In this recording, you will learn the ins and outs of belly breathing. So go ahead and sit in a comfortable seated position. Before we begin, it's important to make sure that you have proper posture for belly breathing. Slightly tuck your chin to elongate your spine. Your tongue should be resting at the spot behind your upper teeth at the hard palate. Your mouth should be closed and your lips should be gently touching. Your teeth should be slightly touching and not clenching. Relax your shoulders and make sure they remain still during the in and out breath. You should only notice movement in your belly while belly breathing. The rest of your body should remain still. When you're ready, please close your eyes and take 2 deep, slow breaths. And just begin to settle into your body. Now, I'd like for you to use your imagination for a moment. We're going to create a belly balloon to help you visualize the correct way to belly breathe. Here's a visual of my balloon. I'd like for you to imagine a balloon inside of your lower belly. Imagine that the balloon stretches all the way from the tip of your nose to the bottom of your lower belly. The air enters through your nose and fills up the balloon in your lower belly. So go ahead and look at your belly balloon and notice, what color is it? And on your next in-breath, I'd like for you to fill up your belly balloon with air and watch it become bigger and bigger. And on your out breath, notice how your balloon deflates and becomes smaller and smaller. Now, I'd like for you to feel your belly balloon by placing both hands on your lower belly, one hand on top of the other, just 2 inches below your belly button. And just feel your belly as you breathe in and out. Does your belly balloon naturally expand on the in-breath? Does it deflate on the out-breath? Now, keeping both of your hands on your lower belly, we will begin to practice belly breathing with our belly balloons. Let's begin with an out breath by gently pulling your hands into your belly balloon, slowly pushing out all the air. Now, take an in breath and allow your hands to soften and slowly fill your belly balloon with air. And now exhale by gently pushing your belly balloon in towards your spine as you slowly release air. Now take another in breath and see your belly balloon expand, growing bigger and bigger. And now slowly breathe out on the out breath. And notice how your balloon shrinks and gets smaller and smaller as you push out the air. Great. Now, keeping both hands on your lower belly, I'm going to count from 1 to 4 as we slowly inhale. Then we'll hold our breath for a beat and then release the out breath for a count of 6. Please try and follow along as best you can. And remember, practice makes progress. Let's begin. Go ahead and exhale and gently push your hands into your belly, exhaling all of your air. And now, Inhale for a count of 4, expanding your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. And now slowly exhale by pulling your belly in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. And gently inhale and expand your belly for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your belly. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your belly in. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feeling your belly expanded. And exhale slowly for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulling your belly all the way in. Let's inhale again for 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, do a couple breaths on your own. Just feel the belly balloon expand on the in-breath and feel it contract on the out-breath. Just begin to slow your breath down as you inhale, and make your out breath even slower than the in breath. Now go ahead and bring your hands to your thighs and just breathe naturally. Bring your focus to your natural breathing patterns for a few breaths. And just observe your belly breathing. However you breathe today is perfect for you. Belly breathing takes practice, and practice makes progress. Belly breathing session is coming to an end now. Please go ahead and flutter your eyes open and thank yourself for taking the time to invest in yourself. I'm Kim DeLand, and I thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.